Hey everyone, welcome back. So today, moving on to the next step, we are going to remove the engine mount so that we can drop the engine and then be able to access more of the timing belt area. Before we do that, actually I'm going to go ahead and remove the wires going from the alternator. This is just a step which is listed in the shop manual. Most of the people don't seem to do that, but I thought it doesn't hurt, so might as well just go ahead and do that. Okay, so I already detached the cable from this hook or clip. So for that, you're just supposed to move this piece up, and the ziplock kind of thing will come out. Next, I'm gonna move this one. This seems pretty easy. There's this clip which is holding it in place. So I just wiggle it out, and that's it. Seems to be some white stuff over there. I'm not sure why, but anyway, that's it. And then we're gonna remove this one, which is being held by nut or bolt. Okay, just moving on to this side to have better view. So this is the one that we're going to remove now. So that should free up this wire harness completely. So let's take this out, see if we can move this up. We can. So now I just need to take this fastener out. And just like a lot of fasteners around here, this one is 10 mm as well. So okay, that should be it. Just gonna put my hand below it so that it does not fall down. Okay, gonna detach this. We'll move this out of the way, and then as always, I just like to put the bolt back on, and that's it. So we have gotten that taken care of. Now I can I'm just gonna move this cable out of the way somewhere over here. So just a little bit more breathing room. Also gonna again move the power steering cable over here. This seems to, I mean, it'll be ideal if I could just move it completely out of the way as well, but oh well. Okay, that seems good enough. Okay. We are going to drop the engine, which pretty much means we are gonna remove this engine mount on the driver's side so that we have better access to the timing belt. We can move the engine up and down a little bit, but before we do that, we do have to support the engine from the bottom, and we're going to do that with a 2x4, which is just a softwood, between the jack and the oil pan. So let's go ahead and do that first. Okay, so I'm also just gonna use this 2x4 as I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna wrap it in a shop rag just to give it a little bit more cushion. And I'll just move it. So we don't have to lift the engine up, we just have to make sure it's supported. That's good enough. So we're gonna loosen this through bolt first, and then we're gonna remove the other two fasteners and then take this one out. All of these are 17 mm. There's not enough room to get my impact driver in there, so I'm just gonna use this breaker bar, and again 17 mm. Okay, there you go. Let me just take it out completely. Okay. Okay, and here's the mount, the engine mount. So just to kind of look as to how the engine is mounted. So these are the 2 bolts on the top. These are the ones which are connected to the engine, and they connect to the mount, and the mount itself is connected to the body via this through bolt, which we took out from this side and goes all the way and screws on this side. So there it is. We have taken off the mount, and the engine is now supported with the jack from below. I also went ahead and detached this clip for the wiring so that I have better access for using the impact on this one. So I'll just gonna move this out of the way and move this out of the way. I also went in here with this flexible or angle connector and loosen this up. I'll probably have to rotate the crankshaft pulley again to make sure it's at TDC, because it moved it a little bit while I was doing it.